ka jingwanra ya ka interstate terminal ISBT ka jaka penyang kali nakamta ki kali toris kibahe na polo parking lot sya ISBT kalala ban pensuk ya upaj ba henry kala khongpong no bat penblat ya ki paj ba ha ka jaka ban yo jingyaro kala sya that hakilat phatai khubor ya kani ka jingja bat bom trei hok jongka sorkar lengba katnat PWD building kalawan ra ka jingdu nong namar kaladon ka jingjerai na lor slab katai ka ISBT kalapau ka jing orpaj bat ka jingjau ha ka jaka pen sange bos bawan na kiwi pat ki jela ne ka interstate terminal ISBT kabadon ha mawiongrim ka badang supli dangshan bat ka badang sedang ban penon kam dang tangkuban riu tayo ya katai ka ISBT latei ha ka jinglut kabalakot kumba saupo pra poin lai puai klur tengka ya kabala bay tengka daka sorkar India lengba ka ministry NEC batla IT ha katenat state transport bala pentrikam daka state PWD bat na kaliang ka PWD building kala IT syaka company dar ban pentrai pendap habayo ban yakren na kaliang ka kong amperin MLA ka laim kra konsensi kala penpau ka jing sungsi ya ka jing bombiang karukom pentrikam ya ki project sorkar ka kong amperin kala itu bakan ra sya menteri rangba ka jela bat sya menteri katenat transport ban yathu halor ka jing trei torti jong ka company dar
I haven't gone there. I've just traveled past the ISBT. I don't know whether the construction errors are there or not, but I know that there have been some complaints about the lack of coordination for transportation of people coming to Shillong or even people from Shillong to travel from the ISBT to main city. I'm aware that there are some deficiencies in that. In fact, I had requested the Honorable Transport Minister to engage actively to ensure that that inconvenience was not caused to the public in general. Because if you do not have specific slabs of transportation fee for people to be transported from the ISBT to the city, then there's going to be this manipulation, and it overall will disrupt the purpose of the ISBT being located off-site or outside of the main hub of Shillong. I don't know what the difficulties are, so I will not be able to understand what you're saying unless if you tell me clearly what is it that is still not there. I'm told that the tendering of all the shops have also been conducted, so I don't know whether it's fully operational or not. But yeah, maybe we can go and see once, and then I'll be able to give you a better reaction on that. And it should be attended to quickly, because right now, very shortly, the police bazaar MTC will not be operational any longer. So if you have these kinds of big problems in construction, then we will have a problem to take charge of that particular building. So I will definitely alert the government, and I will speak to the Honorable Chief Minister and the Transport Minister and see that this gets sorted out immediately, because that's going to be a big inconvenience to all travellers across the board.